Tie!
The first thing you needed to notice was that the two girls are running at the same speed. So even though there's a difference in size and age, they're still running at the exact same speed. The next thing you needed to do to solve the problem was to correctly identify that both girls travel the exact same distance even though they go on different routes. And to do this, you could have gone and found the exact measurement of both routes using the information provided. So if 2 blocks up is 50 meters, then you can double that to get 4 blocks up, making 100 meters. And then with the blocks across, you're given the information that 90 meters is 3 blocks across. So you would split that into 3 to get 1 block across, being 30 meters. You can use that information to find out that the total length of the red course was 150 meters because it's 5 blocks times 30. And then you could add the 100 meters and the 150 meters together for 250 meters, which takes you halfway around, and then you could double that to get 500 meters for the red course. For the green course, what you could also do is that you could correctly see that there's 100 meters up at the start again, but then 4 blocks across makes 120 meters. Then you travel 1 block down, which is 25 meters. You would travel 3 blocks across, which is 90 meters. You'd travel 1 more block down, which is 25 meters. 1 block across again for 30 meters. 2 blocks down for 50 meters, and then the final 2 blocks across for 60 meters. If you add all of that together, you get a total of 500 meters as well. There's another way to solve the problem though that didn't involve adding up the total distance at all. It was more just counting blocks either up or across and making sure they were the same. So if you did 4 blocks up and then 5 blocks across and then 4 down and then 5 across for the red route, you would get a total of 18 blocks, but with 8 of those being up and 10 of those being across. And then with the green route, you could work out that it is the same. So you would go 4 blocks up and then 4 blocks across, 1 block down, 3 blocks across, another block down, another block across, 2 blocks down, and then 2 blocks across. And if you add that together, you get the same total of 18 blocks, with 8 of those blocks being up and 10 of those blocks being across. So you could have just realized that the perimeter was the same in either meters or blocks, and then knowing that they're traveling the same speed, you could correctly solve the problem of the race being a tie. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you went with your solution.